Good day, folks. Here I have the Husqvarna St 124 snowblower out. On my last video I had some surging problems, so I fixed that issue. There's a governor screw, and underneath that there's a jet. I've removed it. Got a small piece from a wire brush and cleaned out the governor jet with some carb cleaner, put it back, and it works much better. So we're going to do a cold start and let you see that there's no popping noise, there's no surging noise, and see how much better it runs. So here we go. Running much better than before. I don't hear any popping noise, no surging. Usually what I do, I'll put the idle in low, and then I would shut it off, let it cool down. So there you have it, running way better than it was before. Hope you enjoyed this small video. See you on the next one.